Hello students, welcome to another lecture on partial fraction. This is our fourth lecture on partial fraction. Up till now we have studied case 1 and case 2 of partial fraction. Now in this lecture we shall study one more type of this partial fraction, that is a case 3. Now what is mean by case 3 and what are the examples? Let's see in this video. Now case 3 is in this way: if when denominator contains non-repeated irreducible quadratic factor. Okay, so what are the condition? A denominator should contain, it should be a non-repeated, means it should not be repeated. Okay, then irreducible का मीनिंग क्या है यहाँ पर? Suppose ax square plus bx plus c. Now this is actually a quadratic factor because x is having degree 2 here. So this is a quadratic factor, and for this quadratic factor, if we cannot factorize, if we are not able to factorize this quadratic equation, then this type of quadratic equation is called as irreducible quadratic equation. Means हम इसके factors find out नहीं कर सकते हैं. Okay, तो यहाँ पर देखते हैं एग्जाम्पल. Suppose ax plus b divided by ax square plus bx plus c. Suppose such type of question is there where it is a quadratic factor. X की डिग्री क्या है? 2 है. So it is a quadratic factor, but it cannot be reduced. So it is irreducible quadratic factor. So that type of question is of case 3. Now we will study some of the examples based on this type. Now this is the example of case 3, because here we know that x plus 1 is a linear factor. It is a linear factor, but x square plus 4, it is quadratic factor. Quadratic factor, and for x square plus 4 we cannot factorize. It cannot be factorized. यहाँ पर हम इसके फैक्टर्स फाइंड आउट नहीं कर सकते हैं. सिमिलर में x स्क्वायर प्लस 2 है, x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 है, x स्क्वायर प्लस x प्लस 1 है. तो ये सब क्या है? x स्क्वायर प्लस एनी नंबर. दिस इज अ इररिड्यूसिबल क्वाड्रेटिक फैक्टर. तो अगर आपके एग्जाम्पल में ऐसे कुछ टर्म्स दिखाई देते हैं, x स्क्वायर प्लस 3, वॉट एवर द नंबर इज, यू आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व इट बाय द केस 3 टाइप. नाउ यहाँ पर डिफरेंस इतना ही है कि एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व करना कैसे है. आई विल राइट दिस एग्जाम्पल हियर. एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 अपॉन एक्स प्लस 1 इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 4 इज इक्वल्स टू. नाउ एक्स प्लस 1 इज अ लीनियर फैक्टर, सो राइट डाउन a अपॉन एक्स प्लस 1, एंड एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 4 इज अ quadratic but irreducible factor, so write down for that bx plus c upon x square plus 4. क्या करना है हमें? जो कुछ भी quadratic फैक्टर है, irreducible है, उसके लिए कॉन्स्टेंट्स कैसे लेना है? bx plus c लेना है. So there are bx plus c, that are two terms b and c that we are going to find out here. Now simplify this. X square plus 1 upon x plus 1 into x square plus 4 is equals to a into x square plus 4 plus bx plus c into x plus 1. Take LCM, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन किया है यहाँ पर. दिस टर्म इज मल्टीप्लाइड टू a and x plus 1 is multiplied to bx plus c here, and divided by x plus 1 into x square plus 4. Now this denominator gets cancelled. Remaining term, I will write here x square plus 1 is equal to a into x square plus 4 plus bx plus c into x plus 1. Okay. नाउ आवर टास्क इज टू फाइंड आउट वैल्यूज ऑफ a, b एंड c। तो एक तो ऑब्वियस है कि अगर x प्लस 1 है तो उसको हम 0 पुट करेंगे। आई विल पुट x प्लस 1 इज इक्वल्स टू 0। इसका मतलब क्या है कि x की वैल्यू क्या होने वाली है, -1। गिव इट इक्वेशन नंबर 1 एंड दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 2। नाउ पुट x इज इक्वल टू -1, तो कौन 0 होगा, दिस टर्म विल बिकम 0 बिकॉज -1 plus 1 it gets 0 and I will get value of a here. So -1 square plus 1 is equals to a into -1 square plus 4 plus this whole term becomes 0. Now -1 का square है plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 2 is equals to here 1 plus 4 is equals to, that is 2 is equals to a into 5. In this way we can solve the value of a. So value of a will be 2 by 5. In this way we have got the value of a here. Now next यहाँ पर करना क्या है कि अगर एग्जाम्पल केस 3 का है तो नेक्स्ट टाइम हमें हमेशा x इज इक्वल टू 0 पुट करना है। So put right here x is equals to 0। अभी x is equal to 0 अगर पुट करेंगे तो what happens here, that x is equals to 0, so this b becomes 0। हमारे पास a की वैल्यू है, I will put this here और what we are going to get here, that is the value of c there। So let's solve this question। 0 square plus 1 is equals to a into 0 square plus 4 plus now b into 0 plus c into 0 plus 1 and now 1 is equals to a into 4 plus b is 0 actually and c into 1 I will write 1 is equals to 4a plus c, then therefore now 4 that is the value of a I can write here, so 1 is equals to 4 2 upon 5 plus c। Now this example becomes 1 is equals to 8 upon 5 plus c। I have multiplied numerator to numerator, 4 into 2 is 8 I have written here। Now 1 minus 8 upon 5 is equals to c। Now take the cross multiplication, 1 into 5 is 5 minus 8 divided by 5 is equals to 0, so c and minus 3 by 5 is the value of c there। Okay, so in this way we got value of a and value of c and finally what we are going to get here, that is the value of b। So value of b find out करनी है तो हमें next time third time कोई भी अपनी choice की value put करनी है। So I will put x is equals to 1 because ये मुझे simple लग रहा है। So it is 1 square plus 1 is equals to, put this in whole equation 2। Now this entire equation becomes a into 1 square plus 4 plus b into 1 plus c into 1 plus 1। Simplify all these terms, 2 is equals to a into 1 square is 1, 1 plus 4 is 5 plus b plus c into 2। Now this becomes 2 is equals to 5a plus 2b plus 2c। ये 2b को भी मल्टीप्लाई करेगा एंड c को भी मल्टीप्लाई करेगा। Next a, put the value of a and c there, so 2 is equals to 5 into 2 by 5 is the value of a। a की वैल्यू हमने 2 by 5 यहाँ पर पुट की है प्लस 2b प्लस 2c, c की वैल्यू है -3 by 5। Now this 5 gets cancelled, this is 2 is equals to 2 plus 2b minus 6 upon 5, multiplication I have done here। Now this 2 minus 2 is 0 is equals to 2b minus 6 upon 5। Now this becomes 6 upon 5 is equals to 2b एंड 2 अगर यहाँ पर डिवाइड करेंगे तो ये क्या हो जाएगा 3/5 इज इक्वल्स टू b. So in this way we got values of a, b, c there, and finally put all the values in this equation 1. So a की वैल्यू आई है 2/5, okay, then b की वैल्यू है 3/5 and value of c is -3/5. So यहाँ पर आप नेक्स्ट स्टेप में फाइनल स्टेप में ये आपको लिखना है एंड दैट इज अवर आंसर हियर. This is next question. Now if you observe this question, suppose this question is asked to you, what you will do first of all, you will observe denominator. तो denominator में कौन से terms present है, that we are going to see here. Now x plus 3 is a linear factor and x square plus 1 is a quadratic factor, but it is a irreducible. Irreducible मतलब क्या है कि इसका हम factors find out नहीं कर सकते हैं. तो this question becomes of case 3 here. So I will write that question here, x square plus 23x upon x plus 3 into x square plus 1. Now we know that I will take a upon x plus 3 plus, for this I will write bx plus c divided by x square plus 1. Okay. Now take the LCM here, x square plus 23x upon x plus 3 into x square plus 1 is equals to a into, do the cross multiplication, x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x plus 3 and whole divided by x plus 3 into x square plus 1. Now this denominator gets cancelled. Remaining expression I will write here. Give it equation number 1 and then x square plus 23x is equals to a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x plus 3. Now put x plus 3 is equals to 0. Put x plus 3 is equals to 0. So that means x is equals to -3. I have to put, then what term becomes 0? This whole term becomes 0 here. So -3 square plus 23 into -3 is equals to a into -3 square plus 1, and this whole term becomes 0. So I have written here 0. Then -3 square is 9 plus this is minus 69 is equals to a into -3 square is 9 plus 1. Now minus 60 is equals to a into 10. This 10 goes to this side, so it becomes minus 60 upon 10 is equals to a, and finally we get a is equal to minus 6. In this way we got the answer here. Now नेक्स्ट पार्ट करना क्या है हमें कि केसरी के एग्जाम्पल में हमेशा हमें सेकंड टाइम पुट करना है x इज इक्वल्स टू 0. वाई? बिकॉज x इज इक्वल टू 0 पुट करेंगे तो हमें b की वैल्यू 0 हो जाएगी, मिल जाएगी, और वी कैन पुट वैल्यू ऑफ a दर एंड वी विल गेट वैल्यू ऑफ c. ठीक है. सो x की वैल्यू 0 अगर पुट करेंगे तो 0 स्क्वायर प्लस 23 इंटू 0 इज इक्वल्स टू a इंटू 0 स्क्वायर प्लस 1 plus b into 0 plus c into 0 plus 3. Simplify all this equation, it becomes 0, whole term becomes 0, a into 1 plus b is 0 here, c into 3 I can write. Now 0 is equal to a plus 3c. Value of a I will put here, so a is equals to minus 6 plus 3c. From this I have written here minus 6. Now 6 is equals to 3c. Okay. isn't it? This minus 6 becomes plus 6 on this side, and therefore 6 divided by 3 is equals to C, and what I can write here, value of C will be equals to 2. Value of C is 2. And then next step is that put any value of your choice. So any value कौन से छोड़कर -3 और 0 छोड़कर हम कुछ भी पुट कर सकते हैं. So x is equals to anything that is 1 I have put here. So now this equation 2 में हम डालेंगे तो क्या होगा, 1 square plus 23 into 1 is equals to a into 1 square plus 1 plus b into 1 plus c 1 plus 3. Simplify this here, that is 24 plus 1, 23 plus 1, it becomes 24 is equals to a into 2 plus b plus c into 4. Now remember, this 4 is multiplied to each and every term, so 24 is equals to 2a plus 4b plus 4c I can write. Now put the required values a and c की values यहाँ पर put करेंगे तो क्या होगा, 24 is equals to 2 into a की value क्या थी, a की value है -6 plus 4b plus c की value है 2, so 4 into 2 I can write. 24 is equals to -12 plus 4b plus 8. Therefore 24 is equals to -12 plus 8 minus 4 plus 4b I can write. Okay, यहाँ पर करेंगे 24 plus 4 is equals to 4b I can write. ये माइनस को उस साइड में शिफ्ट कर दिया हमने. This becomes 28 is equals to 4b, and if we divide 28 by 4 is equals to b, we get b is equals to 7. And finally put all the values, that is a, b, c in the equation 1, and you will get your final answer. So if I solve this further, I will rub this part. So our answer becomes a की value है -6 upon x plus 3 plus b value is 7x plus c value is 2 upon x square plus 1. So these were the partial fraction of a given fraction. In this way we have resolved this fraction into a partial fraction. Write down this. इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करेंगे सिमिलरली जैसे हमने फर्स्ट 2 एग्जाम्पल किए थे. सो here I will write 2x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 into x square plus 1. Now in this is a linear factor and this is a quadratic factor. So it is equals to a upon x minus 1 plus bx plus c upon x square plus 1. Now 2x plus 1 upon x minus 1 into x square plus 1, this step I have written here, is equals to, now cross multiply these terms, a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 into x square plus 1. Now this denominator gets cancelled and we get remaining term as 2x plus 1 is equals to a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x minus 1. Now put x minus 1 is equals to 0, so that this term becomes 0, that is x की value हम 1 put करेंगे in this equation 2 and this is equation 1. So 2 into 1 plus 1 is equals to a into 1 square plus 1, and no need to write this term as it becomes 0. Now this 3 is equals to a into 2. Okay, ये तो simple है. that is 3 upon 2 is equals to a. This 2 goes in denominator, so this is the value of a. Next step क्या है? Put x is equals to 0. Now if we put x is equals to 0, we know that b becomes 0 and we get value of c there. So 2 into 0 plus 1 is equals to a into 0 plus 1 plus b into 0 plus c into 0 minus 1. Simplify all these terms. This becomes 1 is equals to a plus b तो 0 हो गया है, c into minus 1. Now 1 is equals to, what was the value of a? 3 by 2. I will put minus c. Now c यहाँ पर डाल देंगे तो c is equal to 3 by 2 minus 1 we can write, which is 3 minus 2 upon 2, and which is nothing but 1 by 2. So c is equals to 1 by 2. That is what we got. Next thing is to find out value of b itself. So b के लिए वैल्यू पुट करनी है तो कोई भी आपके चॉइस की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे, ये दोनों को छोड़कर x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 0 छोड़कर. So I will put x is equals to 2. Okay, if I put x is equals to 2 into 2 plus 1, that is equation 2 में हम सब चेंजेस कर रहे हैं, is equals to a into 2 square plus 1 plus b into 2 plus c into 2 minus 1. That is 2 into 2 is 4. 4 plus 1, it gives you 5 is equals to a into, this also becomes 5 because यहाँ पर 2 square is 4 plus 1 is 5. Then 2b plus c into 1 नहीं लिखा तो भी चलेगा. So 5 is equals to 5a plus 2b plus c. Now put use all the values, a की वैल्यू और c की वैल्यू यूज करेंगे तो क्या होगा? 5 is equals to 5 into 3 by 2 plus 2b और c की वैल्यू है 1 by 2. You can write. Then 5 is equals to 15 upon 2 मल्टीप्लिकेशन किया plus 2b plus 1 by 2. Now this 2b comes to this side, so minus 2b is equals to 15 upon 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 5. This 5 goes to that side. This is 2 actually. Now minus 2b is equals to, this becomes 16 upon 2 because डिनोमिनेटर अगर इक्वल है तो हम न्यूमरेटर्स की एडिशन कर सकते हैं. सो 15 plus 1 16 minus 5 I have written here. Now next thing is minus 2b is equals to, this is 8 minus 5, then minus 2b is equals to 3. Therefore b is equal to minus 3 by 2. In this way we got values of a, b and c. तो यहाँ पर आपने एक ऑब्जर्व किया होगा कि जो a की वैल्यू होती है दैट इज सिमिलर बट इन अपोजिट साइन. तो अगर ये दोनों वैल्यूज अपोजिट साइन में है इसका मतलब क्या है? आपका आंसर करेक्ट है. एंड फाइनल स्टेप तो आपको पता ही है कि इक्वेशन 1 में ये सब वैल्यूज हमें पुट करनी है. ओके, सो इन दिस वे वी हैव स्टडीड इन दिस चैप्टर एंड इन दिस लेक्चर हियर, दैट इज केस 3 ऑफ इररेड्यूसिबल क्वाड्रेटिक फैक्टर. तो यहाँ पर सिर्फ हमें टाइप आइडेंटिफाई करना है और bx plus c को कैसे सॉल्व करना है वो देखना है. दिस इज ऑल फॉर टुडेज लेक्चर. लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल एंड डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू click on this bell icon. Thank you for listening, and if you like this video you can comment in the below. Therefore, thank you very much for listening. Thank you very much.